Good morning, everyone. Anyway. Yeah. Today, again. That's it. Today's gonna be the moment of truth. What bike I'm having, because today I'll be picking up the bike at Yamaha store. And let's see how it is. And anyway, today I'll be putting up the side mirrors as well. A different one because I don't like the screw one. So I'm gonna put the bar end ones just to make it look better. And again, I'm gonna ask. What's wrong about that? What's wrong? Daddy's gonna go out later. I'm gonna get my new bike. Hey, 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 hey! Why are you running away? And yes, guys, I'll be getting a new bike today. So I'm just preparing the helmet. And I don't know about the weather. We'll see how it goes. But it seems like it's gonna rain. I just hope it doesn't, because picking up the bike seems a bit moody outside. I mean, the weather. I don't like it. But yeah, I'm just waiting for like 14 minutes to call the Yamaha shop. But because they said they open around 10. I mean, I'm too shy to call them around 10, so I'll wait until 10:30. I mean, I don't know what time they will release the bike, but I just really hope it's gonna be after when I call, because I'm just gonna have breakfast and pick it up. Yeah. Gonna see Daddy's bike. Hey!
If you enjoyed playing with us, be sure to subscribe to our watch our videos offline.
Anyway, guys, see you when I get changed. Beep! So, today's the day, people. I'm gonna go get the bike. And I'm really close to it now. Anyway, see you when I get the bike. Oh, time to go to my mom's and then go to work. So I need to drop off a kuchon. Is that a, I don't know, cushion and a bed for baby Aston, my son's bed. So they gave him a bed in there. So now fixed side mirrors. Yeah, as you noticed, I have bar ends, guys. I don't have the stock mirrors now. I'd rather have bar ends, to be honest. I can see clearer with the bar ends, I guess. We'll see. Otherwise, I'll switch it up again. Just don't get it when my GoPro turns off most of the time. It shouldn't be. Hindi naman tayong camera. So yeah, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, that looks dangerous. I'm gonna cut you over. Sorry, my friend. Anyway, guys, did you see how smooth the ride is for MT-125? It's so smooth. It does sound like electric motorcycle though. But yeah, gear changing and everything is smooth as hell. Squeezing the clutch, check, very soft, just a simple touch. Yep. And that's it. Hey, this is an amazing bike too. Oh my goodness, it's just amazing. It's 5:15. Good. Just dropping off to my mom's, and afterwards straight to work, man. Straight to work. Just need to drop off something. As you can see, the speed just goes up really quick. Anyway, guys, I'll see you when I'm preparing to go to work. So I might just well turn off the camera for a bit, because I've been letting it roll for I think 5 minutes, so just to keep some space up. Anyway, see you guys. Cheese.
Drive your best hit with us.
Today I'm at work, so I don't know how my battery's gonna last. It does look like a full battery, so I don't know if it's gonna last for me to use. We'll see. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys are good, and I'll see you later.